What if I told you a simple AI animal POV video just pulled 34 million views in 2 weeks? No big production team, no expensive cameras, just AI and the right system. Imagine millions watching your content from a scorpion's eyes, from an ant running through chaos, from a tiny creature surviving danger. Suspense, drama, and cinematic storytelling. Today I'm showing you step by step how to create these insane ultra-realistic tiny animal POV videos for free. What's up guys? I'm Chase Brooks, and this is Chase Profit, where we break down viral AI systems and show you how to turn them into real opportunity. Let's jump in. Before we open any AI tool, we need structure. Most people fail with AI because they type random prompts. We don't do random. We create a master template prompt inside a Google Doc. Inside that template, you define ultra-realistic visuals, cinematic lighting, dramatic tension, first-person POV, tiny animal perspective, and high-detail environment. This keeps everything consistent. Instead of guessing every time, you just reuse and adjust. That's how you scale content. Now open ChatGPT. Copy your master template prompt, paste it, click Generate. ChatGPT will give you 10 to 15 tiny animal POV ideas instantly. If you don't see the one you want, just type it manually. For example, scorpion. Click Generate again. Now it creates a detailed cinematic scene prompt specifically designed for a scorpion survival POV. You now have ready-to-use structured prompts, and this is where the magic starts. Before I show you the video generation part, see that little I button? Click it. I just uploaded a brand new breakdown titled Google VEO 3 Free Again, use it before it's gone. Right now, Google VEO 3 is temporarily available for free access, and most people don't even know. In that video, I show you exactly how to access it and use it before Google changes the rules again. So click that I button, watch it after this tutorial, and don't miss out. And if you're getting value right now, do me a quick favor, hit like. Share this with someone who wants to grow using AI. And subscribe to Chase Profit, because I drop strategies like this every single week. Alright, let's continue. Now open Whisk AI. Copy your first generated prompt from ChatGPT, paste it inside, choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 for shorts, 16:9 for YouTube landscape. Click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get high-quality cinematic images. Not perfect, generate again. Keep regenerating until it looks like a movie scene. Once satisfied, download it. Now open Grok AI, upload your image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it into Grok AI. Generate. Now here's the professional trick. Take the last frame of that video, save it. Upload that last frame back into Grok AI. Now paste the third prompt. Generate again. This creates seamless transitions like one continuous shot. No awkward cuts, no jumpy scenes. That's how you make it feel cinematic. Repeat this for every prompt. Generate clip. Save last frame, upload last frame, paste next prompt, generate again. By the end, you'll have a full POV survival sequence, and it will look insane. Now open CapCut. Start a new project, import all your clips, drag them onto the timeline in correct order. Because we use the last frame technique, everything should align smoothly. Watch through once. If it flows naturally, export in 4K resolution. And that's it. You now know how to create ultra-realistic tiny animal POV videos using AI step by step. Experiment with different animals, different storylines, different environments. Don't forget to check out this video by clicking that I button. I'm Chase Brooks, and I'll see you in the next one.